Hello everybody and welcome again in the weekend, okay, second. Today we come and pronounce 10 vocabulary and 10 conversations, okay, with venerable. Okay, yesterday we studied vocabulary, okay, 10 vocabularies. Okay, the first vocabulary is hello, hello, hello.
And the second is nice, nice. Yes.
Noun, right?
Yes, noun. It's adjective.
Adjective?
Yes.
Nice. Yes, thank you. And how, adverb, how.
And name is noun. Chmuh.
My possessive adjective.
Yes. And home it's noun.
Okay, សូមជម្រាបដែរកន្លែងទឹក home នេះគឺប្រែថាផ្ទះវាស្មើនឹង house ក៏ផ្ទះដែរអញ្ចឹងពាក្យថា home វាអត្ថន័យគឺវារៀងខុសគ្នាបន្តិច home គឺជាផ្ទះល្វែងឬក៏ជាទីជម្រកដែលមនុស្សស្នាក់នៅដែលមនុស្សម្នាក់ឬក៏ក្រុមគ្រួសារវាធ្លាប់ផ្ដល់នូវភាពកក់ក្ដៅណាហ្នឹងហើយឲ្យដូចទៅថាhomeland ជា homeland ស្រុកកំណើតឬក៏ go home ទៅផ្ទះអញ្ចឹងទៅអូខេអញ្ចឹងគេប្រើតែងតែប្រើ home ណាអូខេ house សូមជម្រាបអូខេកន្លែង house នេះគឺជាអគារមួយដែលគ្រាន់តែជាកន្លែងដែលរស់នៅប៉ុណ្ណឹងទេហើយគ្មានអារម្មណ៍ឬក៏នឹកនាទេបន្ទាប់ថាយើងទៅលេងផ្ទះ I go home អញ្ចឹងទៅ I'll stay at home I visit my uncle house ណាហ្នឹងហើយទៅលេងផ្ទះ I go home ទៅពេលទៅលេងផ្ទះអូខេនរណាម្នាក់អញ្ចឹងទៅ house គេវាគ្រាន់តែជាអគារឬក៏កន្លែងផ្ទះគេប៉ុន្តែអត់មានភាពកក់ក្ដៅឬក៏គួរឲ្យនឹកនាទេអូខេហ្នឹងជា house
and okay is adjective.
Lovely, okay, adjective.
Nice day,
Okay.
Yes.
Yesterday's and then after we study vocabulary and then we had conversation, okay? Yes, conversation. Follow the 10 vocabulary. Hello.
Yes, hello.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
Yes. My name's Sokhangsouth. What's your name?
My name is Pangyon.
Yes. When are you going home?
I'm going home on Sunday morning.
Where are you going? I'll still get home.
I'm going to visit my uncle's house.
Would you agree if I phone you?
Okay, I will always be welcome.
Yes, right now I would like to say goodbye.
Yes, have a nice day.
Yes, thank you.
Yes. Thank you.